And we're back at you with part 2 of our front porch rebuild. As always, part 1 is the demolition. We're now mixing up high-strength concrete mix. After wetting down the existing concrete block and footing that extend 3 foot deep, we're pouring an 8-inch thick concrete base on here for leveling purposes, so we have something level to lay on. And we're making sure we're 2 inches below the existing walkway, which is so I can have my 2-inch limestone on top and achieve the proper height. Once this gets hard and set, I start laying my block. I lay the corners first. I always check plumb, level, and square as I lay. I want the top of that block to be 5 1/4 inches above that sidewalk, so when my limestone is on top of it, I'll have my 7 3/4 in rise that I am looking for. Again, this is my rough in with the block. I'm going to be doing it entirely 7 1/4, 7 1/4, and then 7 1/4 into the home. 7 3/4, excuse me. Then I put my Porch coat on, I scratch it entirely, and I'll be back to stone the entirety of it. There's going to be cultured stone, there's going to be limestone, multiple blocks, there's going to be entirely full.